about the origin of the pandemic. Now, right since the pandemic began, we all wanted to know where did the virus originally come from. There were various theories. One theory pointed out about the wet animal markets in China. The other theory said that it was specifically produced in a Wuhan laboratory. Now, a new paper has been leaked which shows Chinese scientists, the top health officials of China, discussing how coronavirus can be weaponized as a biological weapon in 2015. So in 2015, Chinese scientists were discussing how we can use this virus as a biological weapon when we had no idea about the pandemic. So the paper which has been leaked is titled The Unnatural Origin of SARS and the New Species of Man-Made Viruses as Genetic Weapons, where it points out that the next World War, the World War III, would be fought with the help of biological weapons. Now, what are biological weapons? Biological weapons are microorganisms like viruses, like bacteria, which are deliberately spread intentionally so as to harm your enemy, so as to harm animals, plants and humans of the other side. So this is what the scientists in China were discussing in 2015. And it is not just limited to this. If you further read this paper, it describes coronavirus as a new era in genetic viruses. It describes that this virus can be artificially manipulated in order to create a deadly human virus. So you can manipulate this virus and create a huge pandemic. It is not just limited to this. If you go further, this paper also states the best conditions, the ideal conditions to spread this virus. And it is extremely shocking. It states that this virus is best suitable for conditions like dust, dawn, nighttime and cloudy conditions. And it should be avoided in sunlight because sunlight destroys the pathogens. So even the conditions were discussed. And now if you go ahead, it also discusses the effect of this kind of a virus. It will lead to increase in the hospitalization of human beings. It will lead to a complete collapse of healthcare infrastructure of the country in which this virus is spread. So this all is also well documented in this paper. It also talks about the need of isolation, the need of quarantine, the words that are extremely common for us today. So in 2015, when the world had no idea about such a pandemic, China was discussing how this virus can be used as a biological weapon, how it should be spread, under what conditions should it be spread, and what will be the effect of such a pandemic. And you can collaborate this with the investigation about the origin of the virus. When the WHO team sent their team to China to probe the origin of the virus, China did not cooperate with the investigations. So this paper, the leak of this paper, has increased our doubt whether this is a man-made virus. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. I look forward to meeting you in my next video.